it right here at this point?
Yeah, we'll hit it right here at this point.
Let's do it. Fish on.
We'll work all this shit. There's a fish. Let's measure. He's a 10.5. He will keep in the box with the rest, my friend. Is that number 15? 15 in the box. Another fish on? Oh, there you go, there's another going. There you go. Number 16 for the Slabtastic Voyage. He's a tenner. Looks like the workings of a double. One. You gotta get one because I called a double on that one. We shall see if you measure. It's a pretty fish. Ooh! Tail touches 10. Salmage. There's another one. Oh, that's a nice one. Not as nice as I thought. Let's see if he makes number 18. Yep. 10 and a quarter, 10 and a half. Number 18. Stay on. Stay on. Right in the top of the nose. Yeah, they're right there in front of you. On the ground. Tail touch. Tail touch 10. There we go. Number 19. Maybe we just went to that spot. Y'all don't know how to fish though. Fish on. Mud. muddy water. Woo. It's a good fish, Dougie. Oh, I'm caught on a freaking. Oh, it was a spider web. There you are.
That's a hog.
It's a nice fish. You just wanted to say that's a hog. It's not necessarily a hog. But he definitely measures. Number 19. This looks like a spot boat produced fish right there. Right there. That's going to be a fish producing spot. Fish producing spot in about another year. There it is. It is a fish producing spot. Oh, he's a hard fighter. Is that a bass? Or is that a... That was a bass. A-hole. He got off. Damn it. At least I was right about it being a fish producing spot.